Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today, I am going to show you the to-do list I created. As you can see, it created a new task. We can edit it by clicking on the edit icon. And after the completion of task, click on checkbox. You can add as many you need to. I used the local storage to save the tasks and their status of completion. Let me show by printing it. The task order is in RA.F. Task IDs to maintain order on loading the web page. I hosted it on Netlify. You can check it out, the link is in description. Let me show the code. The JavaScript code is really messy. I may rewrite it better in future and can also use classes to make it look structured. These are all the functions. As we can see, the task guide is added to the p tag with data attribute for task order. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.